Welcome to our Fit to Fab core strengthening Pilates workout session. I'm thrilled to guide you through this empowering routine today. Pilates is an incredible way to not only tone your body, but also enhance your mind-body connection. It focuses on your core, or in Pilates speak, your powerhouse, which includes your abdominal muscles, lower back, hips, and glutes. But before we dive into our workout, let's take a moment to connect with our breath. Stand tall, shoulders relaxed, and breathe in deeply through your nose, filling your lungs with air. Now, exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension you might be feeling. Feel your body grounding and your mind focusing. Now, let's gently awaken our core muscles with some warm-up exercises. Imagine your body as a string of pearls, each movement flowing into the next. Engage your core. Keep your movements smooth and maintain a steady breath rhythm. Remember, it's not about speed, it's about control and precision. Remember to engage your core throughout these movements, maintaining a steady breath rhythm. Now let's amp up the intensity with some classic Pilates moves to really target those core muscles. These exercises are designed not only to strengthen your core, but also to improve your posture and overall body strength. So let's get moving. Our first exercise is the Pilates hundreds. This core strengthening exercise is a classic Pilates move that engages your abs, lower back, and hip flexors. Lie flat on your back, lift both legs off the ground, and pump your arms up and down while breathing in rhythm. The idea is to do 100 pumps, but don't worry if you can't hit that number right away. It's all about progress, not perfection. Next, we're going to do roll-ups. This move targets your entire abdominal region and helps improve spinal flexibility. Start by lying flat on your back with your arms extended overhead. Breathe in, and as you exhale, slowly roll up to a seated position, reaching towards your toes. Inhale as you slowly roll back down. Remember, the key here is to move with control and precision. Our final exercise is the single leg stretch. This exercise is brilliant for working your abs and obliques. Lie on your back. Bring one knee to your chest while extending the other leg straight out. Switch legs in a pedaling motion. This exercise is not just about speed, but about moving with control and precision. Remember, it's not about how many repetitions you can do, but about how well you can perform each one. Quality always trumps quantity when it comes to Pilates. If you're feeling the burn, that's great. It means you're challenging your muscles and getting stronger with each move. Feeling the burn yet? Great. That means we're working those core muscles to their max potential. Remember, consistency is key in Pilates. So keep practicing these movements and you'll soon notice a stronger, more toned core. But for now, give yourself a pat on the back. You did fantastic work today. Now it's time to reward your hard work with some well-deserved stretching. Take this opportunity to relax and breathe deeply. Feel the soothing rhythm of your breath as you gently release and lengthen each muscle. As you stretch, envision the strength and stability you've cultivated in your core today. This Fit to Fab core strengthening Pilates workout session was designed to empower and energize you, focusing on your core muscles. Remember, each movement was chosen to enhance your core strength, impacting not just your physical fitness, but also your overall posture and balance. Your dedication to this routine highlights your commitment to personal growth and health. And that, my friends, is the true essence of fitness. The secret to a strong and toned core isn't a one-time effort, but consistent practice. Fantastic job today, everyone. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to building a strong and toned core. I hope you enjoyed this Fit to Fab core strengthening Pilates workout session. Until next time, stay fabulous.